Hey, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch YouTube in your car. And this is totally working, guys, using an app called CarTube, which I'm going to show you guys how to download. So it's super cool. You do not need YouTube Premium or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's get right into the video. It's fully working, guys. It's super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video because this is fully working, guys, and it's super insane. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and peace out. Alright guys, so let me just go over to the website. It's called ZooMods, and this site has a ton of mods for apps and games. So this is where we're going to download this app. So let me just go to the search bar. I'm just going to type in ZooMods. So once we get to this website, guys, just go to the search bar and type in CarTube. And as you can see, it says CarTube mods. Just press on this, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because it's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool, and it actually is totally updated. Now, there's none of these on the App Store. So as you can see, guys, if we go to the App Store and type in like CarTube, you can see nothing comes up. So if you do want to watch YouTube in your car, this is the only method. So yeah, all you gotta do, guys, is go to ZooMods, and then once you're there, just go over to the website and you're gonna be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully updated method, and yeah, it's totally working. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. This is super insane, bro. I'm really happy to have this method ready for myself, because otherwise I'd have to pay for like YouTube Premium or something, which I'm not doing. So yeah, guys, super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe, gang. This is super awesome. Fully working method, guys. Super crazy. So yeah, be sure to get the word out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, get the word out right now while it's still updated. It's super cool, guys. Fully working. And I'm going to see you guys later. So yeah, enjoy the content. This is pretty cool. And I didn't have to jailbreak, so I'll see you guys later, and peace out.